For those of you interested in doing lines of best fit by hand, I wanted to do a quick example. So I've taken some values from a table of values and I've plotted them on the graph as a scatter plot. And you can see that I've already drawn the line of best fit. Now when you draw a line of best fit, you want it to go through the center of the points so that there are about half of the points above it, half the points below, and the distances are about the same on either side. So you're sort of averaging these points out right here. You can see the trend on this is positive. We're going up and to the right, so the slope of our line of best fit is going to end up being positive. Now, we've drawn or done equations for lines before, and we used slope-intercept form and point-slope form. Now, I don't know exactly where the y-intercept is, but I can see a couple of points that it passes nicely through. Here's one of them from our data set. And here's another point that's nice. Now, this isn't actually part of our data set. That's okay because it is a nice point to work with that is on our line, and we're trying to figure out the equation for the line. So I'm going to find the slope between those 2 points, and I'm going to use one of them in point-slope form to write the equation for the line. So we're going up, and we're going to the right. We've gone up 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've gone right 3. So the slope on this is 4/3. And I'm going to choose this point right here to use in my point-slope form because the values are a little smaller. So this is the point 1, 2, and I now have all of the information that I need to be able to draw or do the equation for a line. So I'm going to write this down. My slope is 4/3, and my point is 1, 2. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Our slope is 4/3, so I'm going to put that in there. Our x minus x value, which is 1, put that in there. We get y minus our y value, which is 2. Let's simplify this. So we get 4/3 times x is 4/3 x. 4/3 times -1 is -4/3. Still have the y minus 2 over on this side. Let's add 2 over to the other side. We get y equals 4/3 x. -4/3 plus 2, 2 is 6/3, so that would give us a positive 2/3. So our y-intercept ends up being positive 2/3, which would be difficult to see on this graph. And so again, point-slope form ends up being very nice. When we're doing lines of best fit, point-slope form often works really well because you're picking points along your line somewhere. Thank you very much.